Stage, we have our 2021 Orlando Junior Best Dancer. Please give it up, representing Evolve Dance Complex, it's Cameron Voorhees.
Now.
I know. You're wondering why these two notes of different pitch swing back and forth the same amount across the rest frequency.
We have work to do. I'm sorry.
David thought it was the happiest.
All right. Enough.
Tell me more.
The broken.
Yes. Now, what's that mean?
Rumors.
Okay, we go.
I'm so proud.
Slå tillbaka hårt.
Mr. Broccoli.
Tycker du om mig? Ja, jättemycket.
Just gonna sit there?
From the limiter, the now cleaned up wave is fed into the discriminator.
Come on.
Noise, that's the problem.
Sounds good to me.
There's still time. Time.
What the hell does that mean?
Get true tag.
Again with
Beautiful song.
That was Cameron Voorhees from Evolve Dance Complex, our 2021 Orlando